Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 12-inch miter saws that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Toyaki 12-inch sliding compound miter saw. This saw is a feature-packed option with some standout additions that cater to both precision and versatility. It comes equipped with a dual bevel capability, allowing you to make bevel cuts in both directions. 0-45 degrees, which is a big plus for complex woodworking projects. Its laser guide and LED light ensure that every cut is as precise as possible, even in lower light conditions. The inclusion of a 120-tooth blade provides fine, clean finishes, making it an excellent choice for trim and molding work. In terms of design, the Toyaki is a bit on the larger side with dimensions of 34.26 by 33.86 by 26.8 inches, but it compensates for this with a robust sliding mechanism that increases cutting capacity. Its aluminum and plastic construction keeps it lightweight enough for portability, while still feeling solid and durable. The build quality is further enhanced by smooth miter adjustments, which allow for clean, consistent angled cuts. However, at 31 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, which could be a factor if you need to transport it frequently. Performance-wise, the Toyaki delivers reliable cuts with its 15-amp motor, running at 3,800 RPM. However, it doesn't quite offer the same power or speed as some of the other options on this list. While the laser guide is a great touch, occasional users have noted that the laser alignment could drift slightly over time. Overall, this is a solid choice for hobbyists and light-duty professionals who value precision. Its slightly lower power output and lack of pricing transparency hold it back from ranking higher. In fourth place, we have the SKIL 382101, a premium option designed with convenience and accuracy in mind. This 12-inch compound miter saw features a laser cut line guide, which ensures precise cuts every time, making it easier to work on detailed projects. The 15-amp motor delivers an impressive 4,500 RPM, giving it plenty of power for smooth cuts through hardwoods and other tough materials. The quick mount system allows you to set up the saw efficiently, especially if you have the compatible SKIL miter saw stand. The design is functional and sturdy, with left and right extension rails to support long workpieces. This added stability is a lifesaver when working with larger boards. The 9 positive stops for common miter angles make it easy to adjust and lock in your preferred settings. At 42.5 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, which could limit portability for mobile contractors. However, its rock-solid build quality ensures that this saw will stand up to heavy use. While the SKIL 382101 offers great features, the price point of $329 makes it one of the more expensive options on this list. The laser guide and quick mount features are excellent, but some users have reported that the laser could be dim in brighter workshop environments. Overall, this saw is perfect for serious DIYers and professionals who prioritize cutting accuracy and stability, but don't need the absolute highest-end features. Its premium price keeps it from climbing higher in the ranks. Coming in at number 3 is the DEWALT DWS715. Known for its durability and precision, this 12-inch single-bevel compound miter saw is a workhorse for woodworking professionals and hobbyists alike. The standout feature here is the stainless steel miter detent plate with 14 positive stops, ensuring repeatable and accurate cuts every time. The tall sliding fence adds versatility by supporting baseboards up to 5.5 inches vertically, which is great for trim installations. With a 15-amp motor that spins at 4,500 RPM, this saw has the power to handle tough cuts through hardwoods and larger pieces of lumber. When it comes to design, DEWALT has delivered a robust and well-thought-out machine. The miter system and machined base fence support enhance its accuracy, and at 42.8 pounds, it's manageable for most contractors to carry between job sites. The bevel adjustment allows for up to 48 degrees to the left and 3 degrees to the right, offering flexibility for angled cuts. However, being a single bevel saw, it lacks the ability to bevel in both directions, which might limit its versatility for more complex tasks. Priced at $285.78, the DWS 715 offers excellent value for its performance and build quality. It's a reliable choice for anyone looking for a straightforward, durable miter saw without unnecessary bells and whistles. However, if you frequently work on projects that require dual bevel capability, you might want to consider other options higher on this list. Still, for most day-to-day woodworking needs, this is a solid and dependable tool. In second place, we have the DEWALT DWS 716, an upgrade over its single bevel sibling. This double bevel compound miter saw is built for precision, versatility, and power. With a 15-amp motor running at 3,800 RPM, it has enough muscle to handle tough materials while still delivering smooth cuts. The double bevel capability allows you to tilt the blade up to 48 degrees in both directions, making it a fantastic choice for crown molding, trim work, and other intricate projects. Its tall sliding fences can support crown molding up to 6 5/8 inches nested and baseboards up to 6.5 inches vertically. The build quality is top-notch, as expected from DEWALT. At 48.3 pounds, it's heavier than the DWS 715, but this added heft contributes to its stability during operation. The cam-lock miter handle and detent override allow for quick and accurate angle adjustments, while the durable stainless steel miter detent plate ensures repeatable accuracy. This saw is slightly larger in dimensions, but its performance and versatility more than make up for the added bulk. At $299, the DWS 716 is a great investment for professionals and advanced DIYers. The double bevel feature alone justifies the price difference over the DWS 715, offering increased flexibility and efficiency. However, its slightly slower blade speed, 3,800 RPM compared to other models, might be a consideration for those looking for maximum cutting power. Overall, if you need a versatile, high-quality miter saw that can handle complex cuts with ease, the DWS 716 is tough to beat. Taking the top spot is the Metabo HPT C10FCGS, a budget-friendly miter saw that doesn't skimp on performance. While this saw is a 10-inch model, its unmatched value, portability, and user-friendly design make it an exceptional choice for a wide range of woodworking projects. Powered by a 15-amp motor, it delivers a high no-load speed of 5,000 RPM, ensuring quick and precise cuts. The miter range of 0 to 52 degrees, combined with a bevel range of 0 to 45 degrees to the left, provides excellent flexibility for angled cuts. At just 24.2 pounds, this miter saw is the lightest on our list, making it incredibly easy to transport and set up at any job site. Despite its lightweight design, it doesn't compromise on stability, thanks to its large 10-inch table and secure clamping system. The thumb-actuated positive stops make it quick and simple to adjust miter angles. And the included 24-tooth carbide blade is adequate for most general-purpose cuts. While it lacks the dual bevel feature or the laser guide found in premium models, its performance and reliability at this price point are hard to beat. Priced at just $119, the Metabo HPT C10FCGS is an absolute steal for budget-conscious buyers. It's ideal for beginners, hobbyists, and even professionals who need a backup or lightweight option for smaller projects. The primary downside is its smaller blade size, which limits its capacity compared to 12-inch models. However, for most standard woodworking tasks, this saw delivers exceptional value and performance, earning it the top spot on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.